13 new items I've bought for my birthday, including 6 new bags. One of them is an absolute dream bag, and 4 of them are from brands I've never purchased from before, so this is going to be interesting. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Steph. I will pop links in the description box down below for you so that you can shop along with this video super easily. It is my 35th birthday. Let me know your star sign, by the way. I am a Gemini, and when this video comes out, my birthday will have been on the 23rd of May, so on the Friday. I think this might be released on the Sunday, so it might have been a few days ago. So, do you know what? We're going to start with a few little Zara pieces, and these are just so beautiful. I really wanted to just share them with you quickly because Zara stuff tends to sell out quite quickly. I have an absolute thing right now for olive green. And this is an olive green jacket. Now it's super boxy because we've got these pleats on the front. What size? I went for a medium because I think that was the only size left. I probably would have ordered a small if I could. And this was around £90, but I feel this is so on trend and it's going to look so cute with some jeans. The shape of this, the color of this, I feel like it looks quite high-end. I'm really impressed with the quality. And with having a thing for green, as I've just mentioned, I also ordered, check this out, I've worn this so much. This is like a funnel neck green jacket, and it kind of has a bit of a bubble style hem. You can like cinch it in with this belt on the front. And again, I just absolutely love this colour. And I just wanted to share both of these jackets with you. I've seen a lot of people at the minute talk about how Zara is just on point, and I feel like these 2 jackets are it. Now, I said there were 6 bags in this haul, but there isn't. There's actually 7 because I forgot about the one that arrived yesterday. And this is from a brand that I've wanted to order from for the longest time. This is Elleme, and I can see this brand becoming an absolute addiction. So if you're into your more affordable luxury bags, you're going to want to see this one because the price and the quality and just the way this bag looks is unbelievable. So this is my boomerang bag from Elleme, and I went for the tobacco colorway. I was so tempted to get the black, but I have a lot of black bags already in my collection, and at the minute I'm really feeling like olive greens and dark chocolate kind of colors. Would you look at the beautiful handle? It's almost like a piece of art. The leather smells so good, and you basically, it's quite a simple tote bag actually. You open it out, it does come with a longer, quite thick strap as well, which I haven't opened yet, which you attach on the sides of the bag here. Have a card slot on this side, and we also have a zipper compartment along the back. Feet on the bottom of the bag, just so easy to use, and it just pinches together. I adore this bag, so much so I think I actually have about 3 more Elleme bags sat in my cart right now. I would really like a small one in black for evenings because I feel like with the handle it does look quite dressy. And they also do this in this caramel suede. They also do it in like a chocolate brownie suede, but I think I would prefer the caramel. And at this price point, these retail, I believe, around 450-ish pounds for this larger size. And just the beauty of this piece, it reminds me a little bit of Bottega's sardine bag, you know, with the fish, but I've always found the fish slightly strange. I think this is a lot more acceptable, and the price point is brilliant. Now, as you can see, I have a rather large haul here from Mytheresa. I feel like every year when it's my birthday, to treat myself, I just place a really big order on Mytheresa, and I can't wait to get your thoughts on the pieces that I have ordered. Their customer service is always amazing. So I tell you what, let's start with this box. I mean, it's so full, it's almost coming open. Look at the beautiful packaging. What do we have in here? There's so many pieces that I've wanted for so long in here. I just went a little bit wild, as you can probably tell. Oh my gosh, okay. This is a jacket. Other than bags, my other thing is jackets. This is from Nor More. This is a brand that I've been looking at for quite a long time because they do the most beautiful suede jackets. And this is called, I believe, yeah, the Hattie jacket. This is in mocha suede, so again, a dark brown. And it's kind of like a cropped style with this belt to cinch it in, and we have the detail on the sleeves. I ordered this in a size 38, which is a UK size 10. How absolutely stunning. Now, speaking of a pair of jeans that I think this will go really nicely with, yes, we have more Bottega. I ordered these jeans. So these are Saint Laurent wide leg jeans, and I have a lot of like lighter denim jeans now, and I needed some dark. I feel like I'd wear these a lot. Now I have tried these on. I can tell you they are slightly too big. I ordered these in a 30, so I'm going to order these in a size 28, but I just love the cut of them on the website. I don't like jeans that are too tight, and I love a high waist because I find them super flattering. Now, if you're looking for the most beautiful summer dress that's going to be, look at this, perfect for summer holidays, going down to the beach, I could not get this out of my mind. This is a Dries von Noten silk dress, and would you look at the print, it's like the sun shining through leaves, you know, on the wall, and I just love the detail as well. We have this kind of blue spotted print on the end as a bit of a contrast, and I know that this is just going to be the easiest dress to wear, being in this really beautiful lightweight silk fabric. The tie around the waist, always really flattering. It doesn't matter if you've had, you know, a big lunch. Print is one of the most unique that I have seen this season. Now, speaking of summer, of course, I needed to order the viral Bottega sunglasses. I believe these sold out. They can be quite hard to find, but they are in stock on Mytheresa. And would you look at these? I love the packaging to start with. You're not going to lose your sunglasses. But these are the teardrop sunglasses. So I went for the ones with the kind of like a tortoiseshell print on the frame, and then the darker lenses. They do have these with like a blue lens as well, which do look amazing, but I personally prefer the darker ones. And then you have the gold drop detail. So when we put them on, they are definitely fiddlier than usual sunglasses because you have to get this around your ear. And these are basically sunglasses meets a piece of jewelry. So you're kind of getting like the 2-in-1. I love how big these are as well. You know, when you're just having like a no makeup day or a day by the pool and you want to look chic, but without putting in too much effort in terms of makeup and actually getting ready. What a fantastic investment. Bottega, I am obsessed not only with your bags, but apparently now your sunglasses as well. Oh my gosh. Okay, what else? I have this beautiful top here. This is from Rick Owens, and I've been wanting a piece from Rick Owens for the longest time. Let me know, do you like Rick Owens' style? I kind of feel like it's slightly more gothic than Alexander McQueen, and I just love some of the beautiful shapes and like drapes of fabric that he uses. So this is the Lunar Drape top, and with it being my birthday, I am thinking a beautiful top like this with a really nice pair of jeans and some heels is going to be perfection. And I love that this fabric it's almost sheer, so that when it layers up, it just makes it even more beautiful. Now let's dive into way more bags. Being fellow handbagholics, I think you will enjoy this part. Now I received this bag the other day. This is from Esin Akan. I have to say I've used this a couple of times already actually. I have one bag already from Esin Akan. Let me grab this to show you. This is the Elleme bag, and I have the larger size here, kind of giving Loewe flamenco vibes, but definitely a fraction of the price. And then this is the smaller version of the Elleme bag. How cute is this? This is like a 4-in-1 bag, so you can take this handle off, you could clutch it. I've been wearing it quite a lot with this leather strap that it comes with. Let me uncinch the bag so it does look more like this if you don't want it as scrunched up. And then you do also get a longer strap with it as well, so you can of course shoulder and crossbody the bag. So that is why this is 4-in-1, and I just love the bright red cherry lining on these bags. Got pockets, we've got a zip on the back, and just how chic. So if you're debating between sizes of the Elleme bag from Esin Akan, this is the large one. This one's probably much better for work if you're carrying a laptop. This is going to be fantastic. And for daytime or like an oversized clutch in the evening, this is the 4-in-1 midi size. Now let's continue with the Mytheresa haul, because these bags, all of them in this box, I have never actually had a bag from any of these brands before. So with no further ado, okay, where do we start? Where do we start? They're all packaged really perfectly in this box. I'll tell you what, let's go with this one here. So this is from Toteme, and Toteme is also really well known for their jeans as well as their very quite luxury bags. As soon as I saw this one, because it's a little bit of a twist on a classic, I just, oh my gosh, I fell in love. This is the T-lock bag, and I don't know if you can see probably on camera, but this is actually half hair in black, and that is the twist. It is a classic black bag, but in a different material. And this is quite a large bag, and one of the things, this is new, but I've seen, like, especially with the leather ones, people kind of push this part down, and then I would say they probably look a bit cooler when they're like this. But to undo, we turn the lock. Oh, that's cute. And then open it out. Look how big it is in there. That is fantastic. And you also get a longer strap with the bag as well, which it looks like you attach it there. There's a little hook on the inside of the bag. One thing that could maybe get a little bit frustrating is the closure, because you have to get that into the lock and then hold it there whilst you turn the lock to close it so that you get the T shape and then it's closed. How fun is this? Let's put this one there so we can see in the background. Now, this is going to be an interesting one. This is from Erdem, and Erdem have a lot of really beautiful floral print dresses. It's very feminine style, but this one has a quality that's almost quite similar to the Elleme bag. What quality is it? Well, let's take a look and we will soon find out. These have been selling out a lot. There's actually a different colorway that I really wanted to get, and it's sold out. So hopefully Mytheresa will restock soon. Oh, look. And I ordered this one because I think this will make the most perfect evening bag. Maybe with the Rick Owens top, some jeans to dress it down, and then this piece. Okay. Oh my God. It's like a work of art. Look at this. This is the mini bloom bag, and this is in the black velvet, which again, I really like. I feel like velvet gets a deeper black and fabrics than like a black leather ever can. It has this rose sculpture of a handle, and I would describe this as very much a champagne gold. Like, it's not a really bright gold, and I really love that. No feet on the bottom of the bag, but in terms of the opening, it's actually quite similar to the Toteme T-lock in that we can gently move this out of the way, and then we have a magnet, and you can open this out. To show you inside, it doesn't open super wide. It does have a divider in the middle. Oh, and it does come with a longer chain strap as well, which you can detach if you wanted to, so that you can wear it as like a shoulder bag. I would be tempted to actually leave this out, maybe put this on the wrist and then hold the rose, so it's kind of like a piece of jewelry. What do we think? How cute is this? So the commonality is the kind of sculpted handle across the top. And finally, the last bag that I've got from Mytheresa before I have another 2 bags to show you, including my dream bag from Bottega. I really went all out this birthday, as you can probably tell. This is from Savette. So Savette is a brand that I'm seeing talked about everywhere, and one of the things I've realized in terms of my designer bag collection, a lot of my bags are on the bigger side. They're more for like every day when I go shopping, and I do have a bit of a shortage of evening bags, and I'm starting to go out sometimes and just want a smaller bag. You know, I don't want to be carrying something too big. So of course we had to go for the mega trendy asymmetrical pouch. I've seen a lot of people talk about this. Now, I was really tempted. They have this like caramel suede version. I was like this close to ordering that one, but then I kind of thought the black mesh, this is a new version of the bag that's just come out, looked so chic and is definitely my style. I just love the shape of this and the fabric, although you can see into the bag with all the mesh, but a really easy one to get into. Just turn the lock. Very simple, to the point. The logo on the front in gold. I can genuinely see why people have started to collect these. They are really nice evening bags, or even day bags that feel very chic. You don't get a longer strap with these. They are just a top handle. There's something that I really like about that. Oof, oh my gosh. How long have we been filming? 39 minutes. I'm gonna cut the video down so you won't have been sat for 39 minutes, but wow. What a haul. Like I said, I've gone all out. This is a bag from Strathberry. Now, I recently got my mini mosaic bag from them, but this one is so up my street. This actually did have a really nice dust bag, but the dust bag was so nice, it was like a tote bag itself, so my mum wanted that, so I gave that to her. This is the Charlotte bag, and this is the midi size. You can get a smaller one of this. Look at this. I can tell you it smells unreal. A chocolate suede leather, and again, you cinch it in as much as you kind of want. We have the Strathberry music bar, which is something you'll see across a lot of their bags. You can pull it out if you want to as well. So you can wear this as a clutch bag. But what I love about this is you also get two different strap options. So you get a thicker strap like this, which is super easy to attach there on the bag. Then you can wear this bag as a cute shoulder bag like so. But if you do want to wear it as a crossbody or shoulder bag, you can do that. I believe this retails around £500 in the UK. Again, I will link to everything down below so that you can shop along. And if you're anything like me, suede bags right now are just, oh, they're so scrumptious. I adore this. We have finally made it to the end of this video. I can finally show you my dream bag from Bottega. Now, if you are subscribed to my channel, you might have seen that I picked up my medium Bottega Andiamo from Fashion File a few months ago now. This was quite hard to find because they don't do the suede versions of the bag anymore. This is in the colour fondant. Now, when I first started looking at Bottega's Andiamo bag, there was another version of this bag. I actually featured it in one of the vlogs, shopping vlogs that I did, and I tried to get this out of my head. I have not been able to. And I'm going to have a huge clear out of my bags very soon. So I need to make some decisions, but this is one that I knew that I would get a lot of use out of. So based on the size of this gigantic dust bag, maybe you can have a guess at what's inside. Let me move you back a little bit so that you can see this full unboxing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot. So of course it's an Andiamo bag. This is the large size Andiamo in the silky smooth black leather. And it's just, you can probably tell, like the softest, smoothest leather. It's quite different to the intrecciato weave, but I actually really like the silky smooth leather. This is going to make the most amazing travel bag, and I love wearing it like this mostly on the shoulder. You can also wear it, although I will say it's quite large, on the crook of the arm. And if I move you for a second, you can see I can also wear this as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag like this. I'm an absolute sucker for Bottega's Andiamo bag, clearly. And let me know in the comments down below, what has been your favourite bag from this haul that has impressed you the most? I would love to know. Now make sure you don't go anywhere, because after this luxury haul with so many new bags, I'm absolutely going to need a clear out. Find out which bags are going to make the cut and which ones I'm going to sell in this video. Enjoy.